Bird behavior, words and phrases, part 3. Allopreening, when one bird preens another. Greenwood hoopoe female allopreening her mate. Cooperative feeding, when groups of birds hunt prey together in an organized manner to increase the success rate of all birds in the group. Black storks hunting cooperatively in a coordinated manner. Leaf tossing, when a bird tosses leaf litter to the side with its bill when looking for prey. Juvenile olive thrush tossing leaf litter with its bill. Hawking or aerial sallies, a hunting technique where the bird leaves its perch to hawk prey in the air and then lands back on the same perch. Fork-tailed drongo hawking bees at the entrance of a beehive. Filter feeding, when small prey items are strained from water through comb-like structures in the bill called lamellae. Greater flamingos filtering small invertebrates from the mud. Roosting, when birds rest or sleep in a safe place during the day if they are nocturnal, or during the night if they are diurnal. Fiery-necked nightjar and Cape eagle owl juveniles roosting in the day. Yellow-billed duck roosting on the water. Dynamic soaring. This is a type of soaring that is wind-dependent and can occur over land or sea. First is windward climb. Second, curve from wind to leeward side. Third is leeward descent. Fourth, reverse turn close to the water's surface. And then back into windward climb where the wind is stronger, 10 or 20 meters above the water. Dust bathing, when birds wriggle around in fine dust on the ground and coat their plumage with it. Speckled mouse birds enjoying a dust bath. Spearing, when birds impale their prey with their sharp bills. Young black stork spearing a fish with its lower mandible. Surface diving, when a bird is on the surface and it dives down to find food under the water. Little grebe surface diving. Gleaning, when small birds with small sharp bills grab small invertebrate from leaves while perched or by hovering to reach the prey item. Greater double-collared sunbird male gleaning insects from the leaves. Gliding. This is a type of flight where a bird uses wind blowing over the wing to create lift and forward motion without flapping its wings very much. Secretary bird gliding into the wind with no wing flapping needed. Massing. This is the congregation of birds a few days or weeks before departing on their migration. Barn swallows massing a few weeks before migration. Olfactory camouflaging or pheromone marking. When a bird marks the entrance to its nesting cavity with a strong-smelling pheromone-producing object, like animal fur, to fool predators. This starling seems to be wiping around the entrance of its nest with a piece of dark animal fur. Courtship displaying. When a male bird displays for a female by singing or dancing or showing his bright pectoral tufts in order to impress her. Male malachite sunbird displaying for the female.